Good morning, children. This is your MSc class, Standard 4. So, we will continue our online classes. Chapter 8, Be Cooperative. Here is one story about two friends. Story: in a village lived two friends, Nazir and Nirmal. Nazir was lame and Nirmal was blind. One day, a hut in the village caught fire. The fire spread all over the village. People started running away. In a village, there lived two friends, Nazir and Nirmal. They are two friends. And Nazir was lame. He has no legs. And Nirmal was blind. This is Nirmal. He was blind. One day, a hut in the village caught fire. This is hut that caught fire. And the fire spread all over the village. Then people started running away. All people started to run here and there. The friends wanted to escape. Nirmal could not see the fire, but he could feel it. And Nirmal was blind. He could not see the fire. Only he can feel it. He knew he was in danger. How can I run? He thought. I cannot see and I don't know where to run. He was sad and afraid. And Nirmal was thinking that is danger for him. And how can he run? And how can he cannot see and he don't know where to run. Then Nazir looked at the people running away. If both my legs had been all right, I too could have run. But how far can I run now? I can only limp. He too was sad and very afraid because he could see the fire. And Nazir was lame. He could not run away. And Nazir thought, if both my legs had been all right, I too could run. But how far can I run? Nazir thought like that. He can only limp. And he was sad and very afraid because he could see the fire. Just then Nazir had an idea. If we help each other, we can escape. He told Nirmal, you are strong. You can carry me on your shoulders and walk. I can see. I can tell you the way out of the village. Both of us can escape the fire. And Nazir gave one idea to Nirmal, that he said to Nirmal, you are strong and you can carry me on your shoulders and walk. I can see. Who? Nazir can see. And Nazir told to Nirmal, I will tell you the way out of village and both of us can escape from fire. Nirmal liked the idea. Nazir climbed onto Nirmal's shoulders and began telling him where to go. Nirmal listened carefully to his friend. Turn right. There is a tree to your right. So take a step to your left. Soon the friends walked out safely. And Nirmal liked the idea. Nirmal liked the Nazir ideas. And Nazir climbed onto Nirmal's shoulder. Okay, see the picture. This is Nirmal and this is Nazir. And they walked away. Nirmal listened carefully to his friends. This is Nirmal. Listen carefully to his friends Nazir. And Nazir saw the way. to Nirmal, and they carefully turned from village, and they saved their life from danger. Moral of the story: our lives are linked to each other. We need one another to fulfill all our needs. Everyone has their own place in life. At other times, we might want to do something but may not have the skill. Then we need others to help us. We are all independent and need to cooperate with each other. Children, moral of the story is we have to cooperate each other. We have to help each other while we are in danger. And our lives are linked with each other, and we have to cooperate with each other, and we have skill, we have ability, but if we will help to each other, we can save our life from all the dangers and critical situation. So children, with this lesson you learned how to help and how to cooperate with each other. Thank you, children.